Nestled in the heart of Puglia, Italy, lies a captivating town that seems sprung from a fairy tale. Welcome to Alberobello, a place where the past dances with the present under the watchful eyes of the Trulli houses. These iconic structures, with their whimsical conical roofs, are not just a feast for the eyes, but a testament to architectural ingenuity. Recognized by UNESCO for their cultural significance, these homes create a historical ambiance that makes Alberobello a true hidden gem. This is Alberobello, where history and charm converge in the form of ancient Trulli houses. Imagine homes with stone walls and conical roofs, each telling stories from the 14th century. Nestled in the heart of Alberobello, the Trulli houses stand as masterpieces of ancient engineering and cultural storytelling. Constructed without mortar, these structures are a marvel, with stones meticulously stacked and balanced to form sturdy walls and whimsical roofs. The conical roofs, more than just charming silhouettes against the Italian sky, carry deep cultural symbolism. Originally designed to be dismantled quickly, they were a cunning response to evade taxes imposed on permanent structures by the ruling nobility. This clever architectural feature ensured that the Trulli could be considered temporary, despite some standing strong for centuries. Among these, Trullo Sovrano towers as a beacon of historical prominence. It's the largest Trullo in Alberobello and now serves as a museum, offering a window into the daily lives of its former inhabitants and the broader community. These Trulli are not just homes. They are a testament to architectural ingenuity and cultural endurance. Beyond the Trulli, Alberobello's soul vibrates in its streets, churches, and museums. As one wanders through the winding lanes, the two main districts, Rione Monti and Rione Piccola, present contrasting slices of this enchanting town. Rione Monti buzzes with activity, its Trulli transformed into bustling shops and cafes, offering a lively glimpse into modern adaptations of ancient structures. In contrast, Rione Piccola remains a quiet testament to Alberobello's past, where residential Trulli line serene streets, and the pace of life moves gently, untouched by the hands of time. A visit to the Church of St. Anthony reveals a remarkable Trullo-style church, its conical roof reaching towards the heavens, mirroring the spirituality and architectural ingenuity of the community. Nearby, the Museo del Territorio offers a deep dive into the rich tapestry of local history and culture, with exhibits that narrate the evolution of this unique landscape. For a taste of local flavor, dining in a Trulli restaurant is a must. Here, one can savor dishes like orecchiette pasta draped in robust tomato sauces, all while surrounded by the iconic conical roofs that define the region's skyline. Each corner of Alberobello offers a slice of local life, steeped in tradition and community spirit. Alberobello is more than just a destination. It's a gateway to the enchanting landscapes of Puglia. Imagine embarking on an adventure where every turn offers a vista of sprawling olive groves and lush vineyards. This is a land where the earth itself seems to be in a deep conversation with the sun. Just beyond Alberobello, the quaint towns of Locorotondo and Martina Franca beckon with their own secrets. Locorotondo, with its circular layout and pristine white homes, offers a tranquil retreat. Meanwhile, Martina Franca captivates with its Baroque architecture and vibrant market days. Both towns are perfect for those who delight in the joy of discovery. For those planning to explore, consider staying in one of the charming Trullo accommodations, which provide a unique and authentic experience. The best times to visit are late spring and early autumn, when the weather is pleasant and the landscapes are at their most inviting. Reaching Alberobello is a breeze with options like trains from major Italian cities. Step off the beaten path and let Alberobello be the beginning of your Italian adventure filled with undiscovered treasures. Every journey writes its own story, and Alberobello is waiting to be a part of yours. Nestled in the heart of Italy, this enchanting town offers more than just a visual feast with its iconic Trulli houses and cobblestone streets. It's an invitation to step into a living fairy tale, steeped in history and whispered secrets. Imagine wandering through ancient pathways, each turn revealing stories etched in stone and tradition. Alberobello isn't merely a destination, it's a gateway to a past rich with tales and a present vibrant with life. Explore, dream, and discover. Alberobello is not just a place to visit, it's a world to be experienced.